Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing great. Don't forget we have a giveaway happening on the channel, so make sure you don't miss out. Today, the video is about Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint, which was introduced in 1965, which is a compact masterpiece of Italian craftsmanship. Before we get into detail, let's unbox it. Looking at this Vespa 90 Super Sprint, it's undeniable. It's wonderful how the Vespa bring back the childhood memories. As a child, I observed many Vespas, but this particular model is new to me. Do you know who designed it? It was designed by the Craig Callum. And if you would like to learn more about this designer, feel free to explore the link card. Let's get back to the detail. It's really cool, like a pocket-sized version of the original Vespa. I think it's a unique design which features a vertically mounted spare tire on the floorboard. Above the spare tire, you will find a practical glove box, a perfect storage space for essentials. This scooter is a testament to the era's dual functionality. Why? Because it used to have a spare tire and the glove box. Let me give you an example. Imagine cruising along, and if you hit a flat tire, no worries. You have got the spare ready to roll. It's like having a backup plan. It also displays the Hot Wheels logo on side and Vespa logo near handlebar. Let's talk about its handlebar. It looks like it's made of plastic and lacks sturdiness. It seems to move side to side rather than up and down. Perhaps they could have added a slightly more movable feature. I hope Hot Wheels considered creating a sturdiness of the handlebar in future. And the best part which I like is it can stand. While researching, I discovered that the main colors used were red and blue, with white also used for international markets. But the red stands out, which might explain why Hot Wheels chose red. I wonder if they release in different colors in the future, maybe blue, lightish blue, or creamish white. Unboxing the Vespa 90 Super Sprint feels like forgotten treasure. It's not just a scooter, it's a time-traveling companion. Vintage scooters like Vespa remind us that sometimes the journey matters more than the destination. It's a ride in the past, ride into style, and ride into the heart of coolness. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.